This is problem 6, page 63 of chapter 2. In this example, I'm assuming that the classes that the author has shown in his solution is what we will use to create a histogram with Excel. When you use Excel, you need to have bins identified. The bins are the upper limit of each class. So for the first class, the upper limit is 23, so the bin is 23. For the next class, it's 29, 35, 41, and 47. Excel will recognize bins as the upper limit of each class. Go to Data, Data Analysis, pick Histograms, OK. Input range is the data. Highlight. Bin range is these bins that I just typed. Click Label. Why? Because the cell A2 and B2, which are data and classes, those cells with the labels are included in my ranges. For output range, I will put, you must click cell D2 so that the entries will be lined up with these column headings. I have selected cumulative percent and chart output. So you want these so that you can create a histogram, and then click OK. With that, you will see that the frequencies and the cumulative frequencies are created. Thank you.